Upon having downloaded and activated the iFollow Alerts app on either Android or iPhone devices, users access our exclusive safety features from a single screen. Our Panic Alert feature is the central and most vital part of the iFollow Alerts platform. Using their smartphones, users quickly deploy real-time streaming video of their surroundings to a live person, who monitors them for as long as necessary. Circumstances may range from crimes in progress to students requesting campus safewalks. At the core of the Panic Alert lies actual persons associated and designated by the program administrator to manage and monitor a user's Panic Alert. Alternatively, the administrator may appoint outsourced virtual assistants to monitor the user's Panic Alert, specifically trained in working with the iFollow Alerts application. When a user finds themselves in or is witness to a threatening situation, they deploy the Panic Alert function. The appointed safety monitors receive a direct notification link via SMS, email, and desktop alert. Using the iFollow Alerts dashboard, the monitor may view and hear the entire sequence using their desktop or mobile device. On the same screen that the safety monitor views the live video feed, they access the user's profile, including the user's emergency and medical contacts. A live map directly below the user profile indicates the user's location, with continuous live updates. Both the user and safety monitor may communicate using a WhatsApp-like chat feature or voice function within the app. Depending on the circumstance of the user, communicating via live chat can be a life-saving feature. Once the initiator of the alert feels secure within their immediate surroundings, they end the Panic Alert. As demonstrated here, the iFollow Alerts dashboard is equally robust on all your mobile devices as it is on desktop. No added software or separate logins are needed. An app user chooses to use our anonymous tip feature for a variety of purposes. Perhaps after seeing a fellow worker's social media post, which they fear might be a prelude to a future tragedy, and the staff member feels compelled to report details of their post to their administration. Once the user taps the anonymous tip icon, they may add an image if available. Next, the user can indicate their name and phone number or leave those fields blank. Finally, they add a subject line, describe the tip, and submit it to the administration. The administration instantly receives the notification of the tip report and acts accordingly. Wholly integrated into the iFollow Alerts emergency platform is a robust safety mass notification feature. It allows the administration to reach all or a specific group of users anywhere with relevant messages. If an organization broadcasts duplicate alerts regularly, using message templates lets them predefine and autofill the message fields. During the user setup process, the program manager will have created user groups to send relevant messages to specific users. Having prepared the alert and determined which group of users to broadcast it to, they choose from the drop-down menu, adding the predefined user group or groups to which the alert is most relevant. If material, the manager may elect to attach an image or video, thereby further enhancing the message content. The manager then chooses the severity level of the alert, which can range from informational to critical. The severity level appears prominently in the user's alert notification and quickly signals to the user if their attention is required immediately. Optionally, the sender chooses whether to receive a verification to advise whether the user has opened the alert and the platform that has been used to read it. Finally, the sender determines whether to broadcast the message now or schedule to transmit later. The message gets transmitted to the intended user's app, email, and SMS platforms. There are countless reasons an organization will broadcast alerts to its employees and faculty, which is usually dependent on its policies. Some of the more common objectives for sending alert notifications are active shooter or violent outbreaks. Immediately notify faculty and staff to remain in a contained area. A possible intruder on the grounds. If an image is available, it makes for easier identification. Weather and traffic emergencies, such as tornadoes, hurricanes, trees down, and the like. Alert staff of critical outages, IT, phone lines, broadband, and the like. For easy reference, alerts will always be time and date stamped. All information within the iFollow Alerts ecosystem is saved to a cloud-based account or downloaded to your computer or other devices for heightened security. Thank you for viewing our iFollow Alerts demonstration today. Still not sure if iFollow Alerts is right for your organization? Call us now at 786-224-5676 and speak with our safety tech advisors.